Our God is living God who hears the cry of the people. He is mighty in power and glory. King Ahab's wife Jezebel ordered the prophets of the Lord to be killed. But Obadiah, a worshipper of the Lord, hid 100 of the prophets and provided them with food and water. As there was heavy drought in that region, King Ahab told Obadiah to look out for some spring or riverbed so that mules and horses can be kept alive. On the way, Obadiah met Prophet Elijah, and Elijah told Obadiah to go and tell to King Ahab that I am here. Ahab was very angry with Elijah and was looking out for him. So Obadiah was afraid of King Ahab that he might kill him since Obadiah has met Elijah. Elijah encounters with Ahab and told him, "You are disobeying the Lord's command and worshipping the idols of Baal." So he challenged Ahab to bring all 450 prophets of Baal and command them to pray to Baal to bring down fire on the bull which is placed on the wood. If prophet of Baal through their prayers bring fire on the bull, then Baal is God. And if I pray to my Lord and if he consume the sacrifice, then he is God. Prophets of Baal prayed to Baal to bring fire down till afternoon, but nothing happened. Then Elijah said to the people gathered round to repair the altar of the Lord which had been torn down. He took 12 stones, one for each of the 12 tribes named after the sons of Jacob. With these stones he rebuilt the altar for the worship of the Lord. He dug a trench around it, large enough to hold almost 14 liters of water. Then he placed the wood and the altar, cut the bull in pieces and laid it on the wood. He said, "Fill 4 jars with water and pour it on the offering and the wood." They did twice as per the command of Elijah. Elijah prayed, and the Lord sent fire down and burned up the sacrifice, the wood, and the stones, scorched the earth, and dried up the water in the trench. When the people saw this, they threw themselves on the ground and exclaimed, "The Lord is God, the Lord alone is God." Elijah then ordered to seize the prophets of Baal, and the people seized and killed them. There is none like our God, mighty in power and glory.